Hello everyone, it's Ben at TV Parts today. In front of me on the table we have a Samsung unit model UN65JS9000F. We're going to be going over some of the troubleshooting techniques that you can use if your television is not getting power. Now, the first thing that we would do is to check the power cord itself, make sure it is plugged securely into the back of the TV, make sure that any power strip or surge protector that you're using is functioning and on properly. If you get to the point where you feel like you need to do a board swap, we would suggest starting with the power supply board. We're going to have a short video here highlighting exactly how to get that out of your unit. For the power supply board, we are going to want to get these two clips unplugged and away from the board itself. We're going to depress that clip with our thumbnail, slowly walk it out, same style with this guy, and they come right away. Next step is going to be to get all of these screws out of the power supply, and then that should come away from the chassis. Little hanger on there. He should come right out of there though. We should be able to lift this up and away, and that is your power supply board. The next board that we would suggest swapping out is the main board. We are going to have another short video here highlighting exactly how to get that out of the unit as well. The first step for the main board is going to be get all the clips and cables away from the board itself. We're going to go ahead and start with these two guys. You're going to push down on the right and left side of the clip, slowly walk it away. Now you see it did come out here at an angle. We can just pop that back in, use two hands if you got to. Just walk it right away from the board. This one, same style. Push down on those clips, we'll walk it away. This one is going to have a small lever on the top that we're going to depress with our thumbnail. Should just slide right out. Same thing with this one. Depress that clip with our thumbnail, slide it away. This is going to be a similar style, so we're depressing that clip and it comes right out. Ribbon cable connection we want to pop up with our fingernail. And we do want to be gentle while we walk this ribbon cable connection out of there so we don't damage it. So now that we have all the clips and cables away, we can remove the screws, and that should be the main board away from the chassis. And there you have it. It is important to keep in mind there can be a whole host of other issues that can be giving you this symptom. We're going to have a link down below to a subreddit that you can go to with your specific symptoms, asking any questions, anything like that. That's going to do it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, leave us a comment down below, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you next time.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget, you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook.